Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the structure basic concept implementation using this Turbo C compiler. Should be a programmatical session. We will be seeing that line by line execution of this structure concept, how we are going to define the structures, then how we are going to use the structure for getting the student information so like a name, age, and then mark, and how we are going to find that average of this that the particular two students, average mark of the particular two students. Okay, this is the program for the basic structures concept. So you can see that overall the program we started with this that including the header file like a standard input output.h and then stdlib.h, and then after that I'm going to defining the structures. So it's follow the syntax of this structure concept. So we are starting from this that defining the structure. It's like a struct is the keyword followed by this that structure name. Here I use the structure name as a student, and I'm defining this so declaring the some of the data type like a name as a characters, age as a integers, and then finding the total mark should be in this that float data types, and then closing this parenthesis followed by this semicolon. This is the basic syntax we know. Then after that, I am started to write the main function. Inside the main function, again I am going to declare this another variable like a average mark in type of this that float. Then after that, I am declaring variable to store the information about the particular student. Two students I am going to use. You can use this at n number of the student also. So here struct and then followed by the structure's name, and then student one, and then student two. Then after that, I'm going to use the clear screen, which will be used for clearing this output screen for after running this every time for this program. So this block of the statement will be used for getting the input data for the first student, and then this second block of the statement will be used for getting the student of this getting the detail about the second student. Then after that I'm going to display this both information about the student which will be entered by this that users. Then I'm going to calculate the average mark. This is a simple programming using this structure concept. Okay, let me run the programming by using this that line by line execution. Before that, I have included this that clear screen now. So let me check. We can able to include this studio.fetch. After that, conio.fetch as include conio dot h, which is nothing but this common input output dot h. Once you use this that studio.fetch and all, now you have to get ch also. Okay, fine. Now I will be started to run the programming by using this function f7 key. So it started from this the main function. Then after clearing this the output screen, it will be directly go to for the printf statement. So it will be used for printing this information into this output screen like an input detail for the student one. Then it's printing the name. Then through the scanner, we are giving this that name of the first students. Assume that the name does not contain this any spaces. Then after that, now I am giving this name as a RAM. That pressing enter, and then after that printing this age of the student, that is also given through the scan of student. It's like a 41, and after that I am giving you that first total mark of the first student. Then that is also giving with the help of this that scan of statement. I am giving this total mark of the first student as a 435, pressing enter. Then I'm go for the printf statement, which will be used for printing the information in the output screen, printing the second student name through the, I'm giving this input of the second student through the scanner. It may be Ravi. Then I'm giving this that age of the second student through the scanf statement. That is also what that it will be 42. Let us assume that. Then I'm giving this that total mark of the second student through the scanf statement. It may be what that 450. It's like this. Fine. Now displaying the information for the both student by using this only printf statement, because the printf statement is mainly used for displaying this name of the student, age of the student, total mark of the first student, then name of the second student, age of the second student, then total mark of this second student. Then after that, I am going to calculate this average. That's simple formula which is known to everybody, which will be what that total mark 1 plus mark 2 divided by 2. That is also printed through this that printf statement. After that, I am getting this output through the get cs statements. You can see here in this output, first initially I printed the information about the first student Ram, and then second Ravi. Then I'm printing this that student information as it is in this that first as well as the second student information. Finally, I am calculating this average of these two students. It's like a what, the 435 plus 450 divided by 2, which is nothing but this 442. This is a simple logic of this structured concept, which will be simply I am declaring the structures. Through the structures, I am going to getting the information about the student 1 and then student 2. Then I am going to displaying this mark of this that finding the average of this two student mark. After that, he will be written the call to this the main function. This is a simple example for structure basics concept. So the next concept, by using the structures, we will be seeing is that memory allocation concept in the forthcoming lecture. Fine. Let me stop with this, and then we'll be discuss that dynamic memory allocation concept in this that forthcoming lecture. Thank you.